Hold up and listen to what I have to share with you. Are you searching for the best side hustle ideas in 2023 to make extra money? Do you want side hustle to earn money from home? Well, your search ends here. Whether you're looking to replace your day job or looking for financial freedom, starting a side hustle can be a great choice. There are many different ways to make money with a side hustle, so there is sure to be something out there that interests you. Hello guys, you're welcome to the Passive Income channel where we talk about money non-stop. As a six-figure affiliate marketer with 7 years of experience and also starting up several successful businesses, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and ways you can earn money passively. So do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you want to see more videos from me that will change your financial life. Ciao. In this video, you will discover top 5 easy side hustle ideas to make money and even net $1,000 monthly. I'll also share with you the various websites where you can register for free and apply to these jobs. Also, how much you can expect to earn if you stay to the end of this video. I also have a highly valuable tip on a business model you can start that promises to 10x your monthly income. So watch till the end. What's the easiest way to build an online presence and turn your passion into income? If you said starting a YouTube channel, you are absolutely right. Whether you are into vlogging, gaming, or cooking, there's an audience for your content. The best part is that anyone can start a YouTube channel with just a few simple steps. All you need is a Google account and you can create your own channel within minutes. Like guys, it's crazy. Within minutes, you can create your YouTube channel and start earning money. You can also use your channel to post videos about anything you are passionate about, from makeup tutorials to video game walkthroughs to educational videos. Best of all, you can make money from your channel through advertising revenue or sponsorship. But here's the catch. How much can you earn as a YouTuber? There's no simple answer to that, as your YouTube earnings depends on several things, including your video views, your audience demographics, the kind of videos you post, the kind of monetization strategies you use, either Google AdSense, sponsorships, collaborations, or selling your own products. So that being said, the average CPM on YouTube is around $1 to $3 for 1,000 views, and the best niches you can start a successful YouTube channel are gaming channels, unboxing, particularly gadgets and electronics, health and fitness, food recipes, travel vlogs, prank videos, celebrity gossips, and entertainment channels. If you have some experience in social media management, you can try social media manager jobs. A social media manager is responsible for creating and managing a business or website's social media presence. You can help businesses promote their products or services through various social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even Twitter, and many more. As a social media manager, you have to perform various tasks such as managing comments on posts, creating and scheduling engaging posts on social networks that will help you build a good audience base, promoting products to build awareness on social media, growing their followers, user engagement, and social media presence. So to succeed as a social media manager, you need to have a strong understanding of each social media platform, as well as the ability to create engaging and visually appealing content. Where to look for social media management jobs? Well, here are a few platforms that you can check out for social media management jobs. Number 1 on my list is LinkedIn. Number 2, Upwork. Number 3, Indeed. Number 4, People Per Hour. And guys, don't worry, I'm going to drop the link of each of these websites in the description, so make sure to check it out. So how much can you earn from social media management jobs? The hourly earnings range between $15 to $50 depending on your experience as a social media manager. Few people will also charge per project, ranging from $1,000 to $1,500 per month for each project. So if you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career, then a career as a social media manager may be the right side hustle for you. Are you a native English speaker and teaching is your passion? Then you should definitely try teaching English online. There's a huge demand to learn English all over the world. and almost every non-native English speaker wants to become good at English. You have better chances to make a full-time income teaching English online in case you have a degree in any of the following: bachelor's degree and teaching certification, master's degree or a PhD, state or a provincial state teaching license, ESL or other language qualifications. So what are the best platforms to earn as an online tutor? If you want to become a tutor to teach English, here are a few online tutoring platforms that you can use to make money online. Number 1 on our list is Preply. Number 2 is QKids. Number 3 is Schooly. And guys, like I said earlier, the links to this website will be in the description box, so make sure to check it out. So most of these tutoring platforms help you set your own schedule. That means you can accept sessions whenever you're free. Once you create an account on any platform such as Schooly, you can log in and be online when you are free to accept instant sessions. So how much can you earn by teaching English online? Most tutoring platforms pay you hourly rates. Your earnings mostly depends on your education qualifications and experience. The average hourly rate ranges between $30 to $50 and can go up to $100 per hour. Becoming a virtual assistant is a daunting task, but it's worth doing. Why? There's a huge demand for virtual assistants across all industries. As a VA, you mostly have to deal with small and repetitive tasks such as grammar correction, blog management such as uploading blog posts to WordPress, removing toxic backlinks or spam comments, uploading videos to YouTube, managing social media sites, and the list goes on and on, guys. So here are a few benefits of becoming a VA, a virtual assistant. You can work from anywhere and anytime you want, and your income depends on the kind of tasks you perform, and the sky's the limit to earning. When it comes to virtual assistant jobs, you can earn as much as $1,000 monthly. You can earn a lot from your clients, which ultimately helps you launch your own business. So where to look for VA jobs? Here are some of the best places to start looking for VA jobs, starting with social media sites such as Facebook groups, Twitter, LinkedIn, as most businesses look for VAs across these platforms. Use sites like FlexJobs, where you can find work from home and flexible job opportunities. Create your own website to promote your VA services. So how much can you earn as a VA? Let's find out. A lot of newbie virtual assistants charge anywhere around $15 to $20 per hour. Once you have enough experience as a VA, you can charge upwards of $50 to $100 per hour for your services. So the money you can make as a VA depends on the complexity of the tasks you perform. Keep learning and improving your skills as a VA to increase your hourly rates. Almost every business wants to build and grow its presence online, but most businesses lack the time or expertise to develop and maintain a website of their own. So this is where freelancers can come in handy, as they provide valuable online services. So if you have skills or experience in content creation or website design, you can make a decent income by offering freelance services. So what types of freelance services can you offer? So here are a few freelance services that are in high demand in 2023, like high demand. 1, writing. Okay. 2, web design. SEO services such as link building, keyword research, paid ads, and so many more. Social media management such as posting regularly on social networks to increase engagement, and so many are available. What are the top freelance services websites? Well, here are a few top platforms where you can find freelancing gigs for free. And guys, you can register on these websites for free. Number 1 we have on our list is Upwork. Number 2 we have Fiverr. Number 3 we have Guru. Number 4 we have People Per Hour. These are the sites whereby you can register for free and start earning instantly. So how much can you earn from freelancing jobs? Here's the catch. Most beginner freelancers earn between $20 to $40 per hour, while experienced freelancers earn between $50 to $100 or even more per hour. There are many freelancers who also charge per project, and their earnings depends on the complexity of the project, usually between $500 to $1,000 plus per month. All in all, freelancing can be a great way to earn money on your own terms, and you can literally work from anywhere. So the sweet part you've all been waiting for. Here's the bonus tip I'm about to share with you. The bonus tip I'm about to share with you right now is something that has helped me 10x my income and saved me from going broke. And I strongly believe, guys, if you apply what I'm about to share with you right now, it has a very high chance of changing your life and taking you out of your mother's basement as well. And that is selling information products online. Okay, so what is selling information products online all about? So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, blogger, or hobbyist looking to make money online, consider information products. If you have knowledge or expertise in one or a few topics, you can consider selling information products online, and it has a very high tendency of making you lots of money. So in simple terms, information products are digital products that offer helpful information to solve a specific problem. That's why having some experience in one or two areas can help you create helpful information products. So you can click on the link displayed right here. I think I'll drop a link right here to check my info products list to get an idea of what types of information products to sell. So what kind of information products can you sell? Well, here are a few types of information products you can try selling in 2023 and even beyond. So we have ebooks, checklists, how-to guides, online courses, and also video tutorials. What are the best platforms to sell your information products online? So I'm going to be sharing with you some list of websites or platforms where you can sell your information products online. Number one, we have Shopify. Number two, we have your own website. You can create your website, just have a hosting platform where you can host your website, have a domain name, and you are off to making money. So number three, we have Amazon, we have Udemy, we have Skillshare, and mostly we have Teachable. These are websites whereby you can upload your information product and sell it at a very reasonable price. And remember, guys, the product has to be useful, okay? It has to solve a pain point of your customer or of the person hoping to buy that product. So if you don't have a prior audience or experience, it's better to pick a marketplace such as Amazon, as they have a very huge customer base and easy product shipping and delivery. Okay, so you can make use of Amazon. And how much can you make selling information products? You can earn from $5 to $5,000. So top marketers like Ramit Sethi started selling information products, which is an ebook, for just as low as $5, and now he earns millions of dollars selling his premium courses. The key here is to start small. Remember, guys, take it easy. The key here is to start small, get feedback, and improve your product. That's how you can grow your income selling information products in the long run. The online business ideas we listed here were among the most profitable ones. However, if you are not interested in any mentioned in the video, don't worry. You can click on the videos recommended on the screen, and I'm so sure you can find one that best suits your needs.